We knew coming in today, the fact that we've given up 4 points in the last 2 games at home, which both games we should have easily gotten 6 points out of them. We knew this was a huge game for us. We knew that we had to do everything we could to get 3 points here.
Dominic, after the first few minutes of the game, how did injury to Quincy modifying the rhythm of the game?
Well, I don't think it changed the rhythm at all because the substitution happened so early. We had a good chance coming out of the play, but unfortunately, Quincy couldn't continue, had to come off. But yeah, and I think Hannock came in and did pretty good. We got to put together a run of wins that we haven't done this year, so it's going to take a monumental effort, but it's a pretty crushing result tonight.
If you think like that, you think it too far ahead. I think you have to just think about the Montreal game and try to win that one, and then we'll see from there.
After losing Quincy, how you guys modifying your game style?
I think that obviously losing Quincy's tough. Obviously, we hope that he's okay and that he'll recover quickly. But I think Hannock's a very capable player, so I think that we were able to use him because he has a very good skill set as well. So obviously, it's a change in things of it when you're switching players like that early in a game. But I think, like I said, Hannock's a very good player, and I think he did well for us.